Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Then the topic we'll be treating is binary system, the operations and the applications. Here you get. But before going into binary, we have the number system. And from our knowledge, what's binary number system? Number systems is the number of digits or a combination of digits that a system of counting uses to present numbers. So that's basically what number system is, and we have some rules there as well. The base can only be a whole number greater than 0. So you get, the base of a number system can I say number system, number base can be what, greater than what, 0. And also the most used number system is the decimal system. That is, it's commonly known as base 10. You all know base 10. You get what I'm trying to, as you can see, we have the place values are in power of 10 before it is base 10 system. Sure you get. So I think I should move on to exercise for us to get this approach very well. As you can see, we have expand the example one. Expand a 320745 in base 8. This time around is base 8. Then B 11101 in base what, 2. Then in the power of what, power of their bases, they said what, expand the following in the power of their what, bases. This is very simple. Solution. So the question is telling us that we should expand the following in what, in the power of their bases. The first one, we are having what, we are having 320745 in what, in base 8. Are you getting? Now the first thing you need to do, they said expand. Are you guys getting? They said expand in terms of their bases. Now the first question has what, a base 8. Are you getting? It has what, a base 8. So the first thing, the first rule you need to do is, how do we expand? The first step is, you are going to count the numbers of the numbers of numbers before the first number. Are you getting? So if you are going to count, we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting? 5 before we reach the first number, which is 3. That is 3 times, since they said expand the following in the power of their bases, then it will be the number times the base raised to power the number you counted. Are you getting? 3 times the base is what, 8, raised to the power of the number you've counted before the first number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting? Then it will be 3 times 8 raised to power what, 5. Are you getting? Then plus, since it's expansion, plus we've eliminated 3. Then the next number is 2. But what are the numbers we are going to count before we reach 2? Then that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you getting? Then it will be what, 2 times your base 8. Then to raise to power the number you counted before you reach 2. That's what, 4. Plus the next number is what, 0. Are you getting? The next number is what, 0. Then where if you count the number before you reach 0, they are what, 1, 2, 3. Are you getting? 1, 2, 3. Then it will be 0 times 8 raised to power what, 3. Plus then the next number is what, 7. Then if you count the number before you reach 7 is what, 1, 2. Definitely you have 7 times 8 raised to power what? 2 plus the next number is what? 4. That is 4 times 8. Then we just only have this one to count. That's 1. Are you getting? That is 4 times 8 raised to power 1. Then the next number is what? 5. 5 times 8. But there is no number for us to count before we reach 5. Definitely it is what? 0. That's it. I hope you really understand this. Then let's solve the second example. Having 1 1 1 0 1 in base what? 2. Are you getting? In base 2. They said what? Expand the following in the power of their bases. This question has what? A base 2. Are you getting? A base 2? Definitely we are times it by 2. Then the first number is what? 1. But what is the number we are going to count before we reach that exact one? That's 1 2 3 4. That's 4. Then it will be 1 times 2 raised to power what? 4. Plus the next number there is what? 1 again. So what if you count the numbers we are going to reach, we are going to count before we reach this one? That's what? 1 2 3. Are you guys getting? 1 2 3 before we reach this exact one. That is 1 times 2 raised to power what? 3. Are you getting? Plus the next number is what? 1 again. That's 1 times 2. But what are the number we are going to count before we reach this one? That's 1 2. That is 1 times 2 raised to power what? 2. Plus the next number is what? 0. 0 times 2. It's only this one we could count. That's what? Raised to power 1. Then the next number is plus 1 times 2. There's nothing we could count before we reach this one. Definitely it is 1 times 2 raised to power what? 0. That's all. I really hope this video you find it interesting and educative for you, or it actually would improve your skills as well. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And if you definitely don't understand anything, you can comment on the comment section. I will view all and do a review of the video. The continuation of the class will be in our next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.